In recent years, solar energy has emerged as a promising solution to the world's growing demand for sustainable and clean energy. Yet, despite its potential, numerous misconceptions still cloud the public's understanding of this remarkable technology. Today, we're here to debunk 10 of those enduring myths once and for all. Myth number 1. Solar panels do not work in cloudy or cold climates. Contrary to popular belief, solar panels function efficiently even in less than sunny regions. For instance, Germany, a leader in solar energy, receives less sunlight than many other parts of the world. Modern solar panels are highly sensitive and can convert indirect sunlight into electricity, making them suitable for varying weather conditions. Our second myth is that solar installation is expensive and not economically viable. While initial costs can be significant, the price of solar technology has plummeted over the past decade. Many governments offer incentives and rebates, significantly reducing the overall investment. Moreover, the savings on energy bills over time can outweigh initial expenses, eventually leading to profit. The third myth revolves around the maintenance of solar panels, with many fearing it to be labor-intensive. In truth, solar panels are incredibly durable and require minimal upkeep. Occasional cleaning and routine inspections are typically the only maintenance needed, ensuring they remain in good condition for decades. Let's move to myth number 4. Solar panels will damage your roof. On the contrary, when installed correctly, solar panels can actually protect the roof section they cover by shielding it from the elements. Professional installation ensures that there is no structural damage, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of solar energy without compromising your roof's integrity. Our fifth myth is that solar energy is not environmentally friendly. This is a significant misconception. While the production of solar panels does have some environmental impact, it is vastly lower compared to fossil fuels. Additionally, solar energy production emits no pollutants, contributing to cleaner air and a healthier environment. The sixth myth claims solar panels will make your home look unattractive. With advances in design, solar panels have become more aesthetically pleasing and can even increase a property's value. Integrated solar roof tiles and customizable panel designs can seamlessly blend with a property's architecture, enhancing rather than detracting from its appearance. Next is myth number 7. Solar panels do not work at night, rendering them ineffective. While it's true that solar panels do not produce energy without sunlight, this is where solar battery storage comes into play. Batteries store excess energy produced during the day, providing power during nighttime or cloudy periods, ensuring a consistent power supply. Myth number 8 suggests that solar panels lead to energy wastage if you produce more than you consume. In reality, many regions offer net metering or solar buyback programs, allowing homeowners to sell excess energy back to the grid, providing additional financial benefits. Moving on to the 9th myth, some believe that solar energy is a new and untested technology. Solar energy has been utilized for decades, with vast amounts of research and practical application proving its reliability. As technology advances, solar energy becomes even more efficient and accessible. Finally, myth number 10. Switching to solar will not significantly impact global energy issues. While individual contributions may seem small, widespread adoption of solar energy can lead to substantial reductions in carbon emissions and reliance on fossil fuels, ultimately contributing to a more sustainable future. In conclusion, solar energy holds vast potential that is often overshadowed by persistent myths. By dispelling these misconceptions, we can better understand and embrace this sustainable solution, making informed decisions that benefit ourselves and the planet. So, it's time to stop believing these myths and start seeing the real power of solar energy.